Civil Service. Desk Officer, Attorney James Carmelo P. Zamora. Municipal Coordinator Service Officer, Ms. Marlene J. Palacio. Human Resource Management Officer Designate, Ms. Lisa L. Toro. Officer in charge of Municipal Planning Development Coordinator, Engineer Jordan A. Calapay. Municipal Environmental Natural Resources Officer Designate, Engineer Joe Mendes A. Tumugo. Municipal Budget Officer, Attorney Monica Maria A. Gonzalez. Municipal Engineer, Engineer Jeremy Paul A. Lapo. Municipal Civil Registrar, Ms. Jeanette A. Alano. Municipal Assessor, Mr. Edgar M. Leon. Officer in charge of Municipal Accountant, Mr. Erwin J. A. Calisas. Municipal Treasurer, Ms. Doreen F. Amihan. Municipal Agriculturist, Mr. Robert Joshua S. Sobrino. Local Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer 3, Ms. Philomena J. Valencia. Municipal Social Welfare Development Officer, Ms. Emma M. Cabal. Municipal Health Officers, Dr. Peter Stephen S. Sawante, together with Dr. Eduardo A. Picano and Dr. Joyce Payan. Municipal Nutrition Action Officer Designate, Ms. Nova Iching Palianas. OSCA Chairman and Local Elderly and Child Welfare Programs, Mr. Renato R. Balacar, together with Mr. Mark Anthony F. Sumande. Next in line is our heads of offices of our national government agencies. First up, Municipal Local Government Operations Officer 6, Ms. Monet Ruwaya Ama. Election Officer 3 of Commission on Election, Ms. Eleanor B. Pagapuno Aguila. Revenue Officer 3, Ms. Julie Ann C. Pancho. State Auditor 4, Audit Team Leader, Sir Josie S. Humawan. Acting Presiding Judge of Municipal Circuit Trial Court, Judge Police Major Benjamin C. Napikit. Battalion Commander of Infantry Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy J. Sands. To proceed from the heads of officers from the academy, starting with the Campus Administrator of Jose Rizal Memorial State University